What Easter egg is your company buying for you? Hi, I'm Kimberly Shapcotts, qualified chartered accountant, property investor and entrepreneur. Let's sit down and have a chat. Do you get yourself an Easter egg each year? Or do you have children you have to buy Easter eggs for? I say have to, want to buy Easter eggs for, and do you want to put it through as an expense in your company? Well, the key question I think I get asked sometimes is, can you? And the answer is yes. However, we just need to be aware of how we are getting these expenses through our company. And the reason we're putting these through is actually we're using our trivial benefits allowance or trivial benefits expenses to fund some of these different expenses. So we need to actually go back to what is a trivial benefit, and then we can see how we can use them for our Easter eggs. So a trivial benefit is something that the company buys for one of its employees or officers that is less than £50. It isn't cash or a cash voucher. It isn't a reward for their work or performance, and it isn't in the terms of their contract. So on that basis, we're allowed to go out and spend money or a small amount of money on our employees or on our officers in the business if we want to, on whatever we want. But the key thing is there we've got a value limit of £50, so you can't be going and spending £100 on a hamper for yourself at Easter, but you could go and buy yourself quite a nice Easter egg for 20, 30, 40 or even £50 if you wanted to go all the way up to the limit. The key thing to remember for directors is that you only can spend up to £300 in a year. So you do have a limit. So if you decide to use it on an Easter egg, you won't be able to use it on other things that you may be choosing to use it on. But it is one way of getting a little bonus out of your company for all the work that you do without it being a requirement to do it every year or to do it for all employees. The great thing about trivial benefits is that there's no national insurance, there's no tax on these, and they are allowable for tax purposes, which means you can get a nice Easter egg, enjoy some nice chocolate or other treats over the seasonal period, and also get tax relief, which is obviously a great way of getting a little bit extra out of your company and helping minimise the tax. One point to remember for those that have more than one company is that trivial benefits figure is per company and is not per individual. So you would actually be able to get trivial benefits out of all of the companies that you have. So it is not just one company that you can get them out of. So that might just be a way of spreading some of those trivial benefits that those companies you're involved in are giving to you. Happy Easter egg hunting. Hopefully today you've discovered how you can be getting your Easter eggs through your company. If you've got any questions, then please do leave a comment. Please like the video and do subscribe to the channel. And let's make tax less taxing. Let's make tax less taxing.